How to log in into Dayforce HCM employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Dayforce HCM employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the Dayforce HCM login page. On the login page, you will see the three fields: company, username and password. Enter your company's name in the company field. This is usually provided by your employer. Next, enter your username. This is often given by your employee ID or email address. Now type in the password. Make sure you have entered it correctly to avoid login issues. Once all fields are filled out, click on the login button. And that's it. You should now be logged in into your Dayforce HCM employee account. If you have any trouble logging in, you can click on the forgot password link to reset your password. And that's it. With this, you have successfully logged in into your Dayforce HCM employee portal. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. See you on the next video.